Okay, this is the truck. You see, this is how it is supposed to be. When you close the door, you see how it go. Nothing will happen with the wire. You see, it go there, it close, and nothing will affect the wires. See, this truck is available for sale. If you wanna, now this one's supposed to be here. Tape it and in a good place. Now if we go, I'm gonna tape it there. If I go like this, nothing happened to the wire. You see, the wire is very safe. You see, the wire is very. But if we come to the other side, come the other side. If we come to the other side, you see here, the track is done. The track supposed to be even here, go back and forth. This track is no good, and it can create short.
At the break.
Yeah, it's already is no good. That's why.
I couldn't just tape it.
I'm gonna tape it for you, but you have to be sure when you put it back. This have to be replaced. Okay. You see, it's supposed to be somewhere here, and wherever the wire go, it go down. So what I'm gonna do is I will tape it for you a little bit, but you need to get this truck. This truck is available. It's replaceable and available if you have time. But if it's not, you're gonna pinch it and blow out the fuses and all the circuit breakers, and you will be in, like in another problem. Means that do not open this door a lot, which you don't need to use this left side door. You can use the right side, other side door a lot till you fix it. Or if you want to close it, be sure that you go with it slowly to the end.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll tape it up.
You tape it up, you take care of it, right?
Take time, I'll do
Yeah.
it.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. I already changed it. I already changed this one here. This is the high circuit J3 in case something happened to it, but that's what I know. And don't try to open and close them too much, because I don't know how bad the resistor in this motor. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.